In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube channel name directly on YouTube. So what YouTube have done, they have made it available to change your YouTube channel name directly on their website without having to go to Google Plus or anything like that. So first of all, what you'll need to do is come to your YouTube and log into your account, and then you will need to click on your profile picture, and then you can click on your channel. Once you click on your channel, you will be on this page here, and you can now click on Customize Channel. Once you click on Customize Channel, you will be redirected to your YouTube Creator Studio. So once it loads up, I will show you what you need to do. So from here, as you can see, we are on now Channel Customization, and just under that, what you can see is Layout, Branding and Basic Info. So in today's video, we will need Basic Info. Once you click on that, under channel name and description, as you can see, there is a little pencil icon right next to your channel name. If you click on the pencil icon, what that will do is it will allow you now to edit your YouTube channel name. So once you have changed your YouTube channel name, as you can see in the top right hand corner, the publish button is now available to click. All you simply need to do is click on the publish button, and then that will be your YouTube channel changed on YouTube. So once you have changed your YouTube channel name, this may take a couple of hours to a couple of days to change fully on YouTube. But that's just how you do it, guys. It's really that simple. So if this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.